Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you tag someone into your Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook account, and after opening the Facebook, simply click to this What's on Your Mind tab. And from there, you just simply have to write down anything that you want to post. To tag people, you just simply have to click into this blue person icon. Just simply tap into that and you can see all of the people into your friend list. Just simply select the one that you want to tag. I have this guy here, so I'll select that guy, and after selecting the people, just simply click to this back icon. And after selecting the person from the tag section, simply click to this post option. As you can see here, I have successfully tagged that guy into my post. By following this very easy steps, you can also tag anyone into your Facebook post. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.